side effects of keratin treatment is that it can cause cancer. Oh my god. After a few washes following the treatment, you may begin to notice your hair has become thin. Hair loss. Oh my god. Damaged hair. If you're a returning subscriber, a regular degular, a day one honey, welcome back to another catch-up session with Madam K. And if you're a new subscriber, just join in the honey, click the subscription button down below, and do grab yourself a drink. You're about to learn something new for sure. So, from my previous maintenance week vlogs, you already know that when it's maintenance week and I want to do my hair, I straighten it out for my braids or whatever hairstyle that I want to do. At some point, I even relaxed my own hair with the Dennis chemical relaxer. Yeah, I did it. Better. I did it. Better. Yeah. But I did relax my hair at some point for a hairstyle, and this time I want to do something else for a hairstyle. I want to do this cute braids, but yeah, I want to do braids. And to prepare for those braids, as you can see, my hair is quite shambles, and I have growth, but it's suffering because of I've been such a frontal babe. I don't wanna lie. Frontals really just detached me from taking care of my hair, because I'm like, let me just put it in a wig cap, brush it back, then rock a wig. But all that's gonna change because I'm gonna do braids more this year. Have some cool, fresh enyana. So that's not the point though. The point is I'm going to get a keratin treatment. And what a keratin treatment is, for those that do not know, is a chemical procedure usually done in a salon that can make hair look straighter for as long as 6 months. It is also called a Brazilian blowout or a Brazilian keratin treatment. The treatment involves applying products on the hair, blow drying it, and sealing it with a flat iron. Keratin is a natural type of protein in your skin, hair, and nails, and the treatment can add intense glossy shine to the hair and reduce frizz. Keratin hair treatment is a process that helps straighten and smooth frizzy or damaged hair. Itself is a fabulous protein that the body produces naturally and acts as a protective shield against humidity, which causes frizz. So you get what I'm saying? It's like a chemical, but not so harmful chemical. I hope it works. Let's go check it out. I'm risking my hair. If it doesn't work out and it breaks my hair, I'll deal with it later. But if my hair comes back more bounced, more better, and I know I'm not going to see my curls in the next 6 months, but I'm not mad. I can wait. Understand? I can wait. So yeah, let's go do that. I've got a disadvantage. You can't wash your hair for the next 72 hours. It gives you super straight hair. It might cause eye or skin irritation. One of the long-term side effects of keratin treatment is that it can cause cancer. Oh my god. After a few washes following the treatment, you may begin to notice your hair has become thin. Hair loss. Oh my god. Damaged hair. Lifestyle changes. Okay, Marabari, that's if you repeat it. I'm gonna do it once. The effect of the treatment is up to 5 months maximum, and then your hair will look unkept and scruffy. So after 5 months, I need to redo it, or else it's gonna. But I know my hair, man. It's strong. It will survive. It will definitely survive. Andazi kodwa ndiyaya. Zabona phambili ke sana. another day of the vlog. I'm going out to do my hair and I'm running a bit late, but I just wanted to show you guys my hair after the keratin treatment. I've been spraying. You shouldn't be doing this after you get a keratin treatment, but I was just like, you know, I'll explain myself later. But I've been spraying clove water on my hairline because I have bald patches. I don't know if you can see them, but like there's less hair on these areas of my scalp. So I wanted to try promote hair before I go get plaited up, because they're gonna pull the hair and, you know, so maybe give a supporting yana. But you shouldn't be spraying water on your keratin after you treat your hair with keratin, because then you're reversing the whole process of it being sleek, and that's what's happening here. But my hair was sleek for a few minutes. I mean, I also did not want them to, that hairstylist was like, girl, there's no need for me to flat iron you, but if you want. I'm like, I don't like using heat on my hair. The only heat I've used so far is hair dry, you know. So like, if there's a need, if it's part of the treatment, let's do it. But if it's not, it's like, nah, it's not. I get home, guys, I believe in Google. I don't know why, bash me if you want. I googled keratin treatment before I went, and they said you need to seal it in with a flat iron. I'm like, let me seal it in, maybe I'll get the results of a silk press that I want. My flat iron is fairly hot, you know. Like a zama. I'm like, okay, it's not bad. I wanted to see my line. It's not bad to see growth sharp. You can straighten it so that you can see how long your hair is. Cut the ends if you want. But yeah, you know, Tonala blew out according to me. But I'll try these treatments out and I'll tell you which one is which, right? And we'll see if this one works actually. This is my hair, guys. Now I'm oiling it with amla oil because we're about to go get plated up. Yes. I set an appointment for 11 and it's 11 o'clock right now and I'm still at home. I haven't even requested. But you know, and I still have to go get a PEC. And you know, like Mutan first come, first serve. I can't even say, oh my god, but I booked an appointment. I wasn't there. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later. After plating, I'm not gonna take you guys along to the salon, eh? Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up because I know you like this video. Leave a comment and tell me, what are you doing? What do you think is wrong with your hair and what are you doing to fix it? I know we shouldn't self-diagnose, but come on, let's help each other. There's amla oil, there's clove water. What else do you use on your hair to grow back your hairline? I never thought I'd struggle. I'm not struggling with the hairline. Not because I'm a perfectionist. I know I can see I have thick hair, so there should be hair here. But it's all because I've been wearing frontals so much. Guys, be careful of the frontals. They'll eat away your hair. They do. The glue, the whole process is not recht for your hairline, my guy. Bye.